If you're relying on just Facebook ads to scale your business, then listen up, because I want to let you in on a way to scale that will transform your business forever. While most businesses continue to rely on Facebook ads to scale, one entrepreneur has been quietly making a big splash behind the scenes with YouTube ads. His name is Alaric Heck, and he's using YouTube ads to produce 4 to 5 times return on ad spend every month. Not just for his own business, but for his clients, some of whom spend over $3,000 per day on YouTube advertising. So why are these YouTube ads such a big deal? To sum it up in one word, intent. On Facebook, the intent is usually low because people are there to scroll instead of buy. Meanwhile, on YouTube, the intent is high because people are searching for solutions to their problems. Every day, millions of people flock to YouTube to have their problems solved. But that's not all. What also makes these ads so powerful is that they are not subject to the same policy issues as Facebook. On YouTube, all you need is a good offer on video, and to get it in front of your ideal audience. However, there's a method to the madness, and Alaric has mastered it. To date, he's helped over 1,000 businesses make the shift to YouTube, and for the first time ever, he's revealing all the secrets he uses to scale to 4 to 5 times return on ad spend every month with YouTube ads. It's in a 3+ hour workshop called the YouTube Ads Masterclass. Inside, you'll uncover the top 3 strategies he's using to scale with YouTube, the 7 to 8 figure YouTube ad scaling strategy to pull in 6 figures a month, how to craft YouTube ad video script so good your prospects can't ignore it, the omnipresent trademark retargeting strategy to cut lead costs in half, and much more. Click the link in the description to get more information.